Hi, this is Paul Gregg. I wanted to do a quick video about something I did recently. This is a StrandBeest plastic model from China. You can get them on Amazon for under $10 or on Wish. And surprisingly, put together really well. I'm surprised. The plastic is tough and it worked first time. So very quickly, this is the model with the instructions in English and Chinese. At first I thought maybe I'd made a mistake, but the plastic's really a lot tougher than I thought it would be. Very nice. And the first step is to put these little feet on. And that is the hardest part, once you get those little rubber feet on. The other thing, the critical thing, is that you get the sequence when you put the little arms, when you link them to the crankshaft. It's critical to get the right sequence, and then it works really well. This is a video of it running the first time. Very little breeze, and it just starts cranking up and going. And then you can put it on the ground with a small breeze, and it will walk across your sidewalk. Really good for $10. How can you go wrong? Really happy with it.